Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Moore County in Middle Tennessee, Lincoln County in Middle Tennessee, until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles north of Ardmore, or 12 miles east of Pulaski, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Lynchburg, Timms Ford Lake, Howell, Herdlow, Mimosa, Smithland, Coldwater, Blanche, and Kelso. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time for North Central Alabama.